man stands on the edge of his board. The days are short and the father's gone. There's no one in the town and no one in the field. This dusty brown man will give him all it could eat. Kicked off my land at the age of 16, and I have no idea what else my heart would be. I placed all my trust at the foot of this hill, and now I'm sure my heart will never be still. So collect your cards and collect your hopes, and pray you never feel the same kind of remorse. Align my heart, my body, my mind, to face what I've done and do my time. You are my accuser, now look in my face. Your oppression reeks of your greed and disgrace. So one man has and another has not. How can you love what it is you've got when you took it all from the weak hands of the poor? Liars and thieves, you don't know what is in store. When they all come inside and I'll look in your eye, you'll pray to the God that you've always denied. And I'll go out back and I'll get my gun. I see you haven't met me, I am the only son. Steal my heart and break my pride. You'll know where to stand and I'll know where to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind, to face what I've done and do my time. Yes, it was me. I know what I've done, 'cause I know you've seen. I went out back and I got my gun. I said, you haven't met me, I'm the only